What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We are at a gas station right now, Cumberland Farms, filling up the car. $2.49 a gallon, not horrible. Waiting for a local pickup. I am buying 45, I think, Amiibos. Nintendo Amiibos. I have never sold an Amiibo in my life, ever. So this is interesting. I was doing the math. I'm paying $380. That's a lot of money. I'm hoping I can double my money. So a lot of these are really fast movers, so if I could double my money quick and easy, that's awesome. I love that. If I can more than double my money, I'll be even more happy, of course. So I'm just waiting for this guy. It's 1:23, so he should be here within 7 minutes. He said 1:30, so I got here a little early. Figured I had to get gas, so we'll see what happens. I'll show you guys everything I end up picking up. He initially wanted $480, so I offered $350. He said $380, and I'm like, well, I'm not going to drive to you for $380. If you can meet me at this gas station, I'll pay you $380. So he lived 45 to 50-ish minutes away, so I wasn't going to drive that far. This place was only about 15 minutes away, like 12 minutes away, so not bad for me. I will take that. And of course, guys, always meet in public. We are meeting in public. There's a lot of people here at the gas station, so I always like to meet in public. Don't go to his house. Don't go to people's houses unless you already know them. I mean, simple as that. So let's see what happens. So I just got home, and look what Soph did. She dug all up on the side of the house. Very nice. Tilling the soil for us. Okay, Soph. Okay, Soph. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you making a mess? Oh, you're such a messy pup. What's up? Look at this. What are you tangled in? Oh, you're so messy. I know. I love you. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Okay, I gotta take everything out of the trunk. All right, let's see what we got. Definitely got some good stuff. We're gonna go through all the numbers, obviously. And came in a Cox box. And holy moly, we are loaded on Amiibos. Now, he said this one is opened. Yes, this one's opened. And there was one loose figure right here. Then everything else is brand new. But there is one Amiibo that has some package wear. So I'd have to sell that as used, which kind of stinks. Just that little bit of wear goes to being from new to used, but everything else is in perfect condition. I looked through it all with him. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna scan this all in to Inventory Lab, which is pretty much like a third-party Amazon software, and we're gonna scan this all in, and you guys will see. Like I said, I paid $380, so I have to break down what it technically costs per unit here. I got to add everything up. I think there's 43 of these. I think I don't really remember. So once we break that all down, do the math, scan everything into Amazon, we'll see how much money I am going to be making on this stuff. Now, it's not like a home run find. It's not like I'm going to be making, you know, $1,000 on this stuff. I'm probably going to just double my money. So I'm going to make my $380 back and hopefully make close to that on top of everything. But I'm okay with doing that. It's not like I did have to go meet the guy, but you know, he brought all the inventory to me. I don't mind, you know, just doubling my money or even making a little less than doubling my money. If I can make $300 on this stuff, guys, it's all pretty fast movers and I will be happy. So let's bring this all inside, say bye to the pup, and see how much money I'm gonna make. All right, so I'm gonna do a quick rundown, a quick breakdown of how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna pull each one from here, bring it over here to the computer. I have Inventory Lab pulled up. So what I do is I use my little barcode scanner, scan the barcode. The item should pop right up. Here it is. There's the rank in video games, which is a bit high, but that's okay. I got to do the math to see what it's going to cost per unit. And then over here, it breaks down how much it's selling for. So brand new FBA selling for $57.48. So if I click on it, it'll automatically price it at $57.48. It's thinking it's a $2 buy cost, but it's gonna be a little bit more than that. And look at that, my profit, $41.78. So, and it even gives you your ROI of 2,089%. So Not bad there. And that's going to be this one, but again, I have to still break it down to see exactly how much it cost me per unit. So I'm going to pull everything out of this box, count it all, and set it all off to the side so we could see how much per unit. So here is everything laid out. We got to count them all. I think I did all rows of 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yeah, 6, 12, 18, what is that, 24, 30... is this 6, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That seems low. I thought there was supposed to be at least 40 here. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 5, 6, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Huh. Thought there was supposed to be more than that here, but maybe that's right. Let me double check the listing. All right, I found the listing. And I just counted everything. It is 39. So I don't know why I was thinking 40. Okay, so 39. So 380 divided by 39. Let's do that math. All right, it comes out to $9.74 a unit. So we need a lot of these to be worth at least, well, around 20 would be nice, because I got to take into account shipping into Amazon, which should only be about a quarter for all of them, a quarter a piece, hopefully. So it's going to work out to about $10 a unit. So let's hope I got a good deal. I'm going to start adding them all into Inventory Lab, and I'm going to start making it $9.75 a unit. So let's go. All right, guys, so I have all 39 of them into Inventory Lab. It really didn't take me much time at all, maybe 20 minutes or so. Let's take a quick look and see what the numbers are looking like. All right, bam. So what we have here, it tells us how many items, 38. Why is it saying 38 instead of 39? Weird. That's fine. We'll just keep it at 30. Oh, I forgot to do this one, because this is supposed to come with a game. This is supposed to come with a Wii U game, and it doesn't. So I'm going to have to just sell each one of these individually, which is no big deal. So I'm not even messing with this one right now. It's not worth too much anyways, so it didn't really bother me. But over here we have 38 items. The average sales rank is just over 12,000 in video games, which is kind of high, but these are Amiibos, so they're not quite video games, so they are going to take a little bit to sell, but honestly, I'm not super worried about the sales rank. Total sales value is at $1,169. My buy cost is at $370.50, and that's because I did not include this Amiibo yet. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with these two guys. So the total buy cost is just under that $380 that I paid, and then my net profit is $435.73. So I paid $380, and technically in these I spent $370.50, and I'm going to make $435.73. I am actually very happy about that. I thought it was going to be closer to $300 to $350, but I'm going to be making over, almost $100 more than I initially thought. So that is awesome. I love it. Lots of Amiibos getting ready to get shipped out. I actually had another FBA shipment ready. So technically, this shipment's not even going to go off on its own. I just wanted to break down the numbers for you guys. I'm actually going to be including this in another shipment of a bunch of CDs and audiobooks and things like that. So the shipping cost is going to be even cheaper than what you guys saw. Well, actually, you didn't even see the shipping cost, so I'll show you guys what I mean. So I ship all of these things off into Amazon FBA. Now, the more things you have in a shipment, the cheaper the per item cost is to ship. So if I were to just ship this one thing into Amazon or sell it on eBay or anything like that, it would cost me just over $3, right? Now, if I take this, and this into Amazon, well, that $3 Amazon shipping cost stays $3. So now it's only $1 each. So that's what you do. And then once you start including so many more items, that goes down to 50 cents each, 20 cents each. So that's the way it is. Now, obviously, the more things you have, the higher the weight will go. So it does end up costing, more overall. So instead of a $3 package, it'll end up being a $7 package. But with this many items, I don't mind at all. It's going to cost me probably a quarter or less per item to ship this in. And that's why I rounded. That's why I figured that $9.75 buy cost will average after shipping out to about $10. So pretty sweet. I'm super happy about that. I think it was a solid haul. What do you guys think? Would have you done this deal? That's what I'd like to know. Would have you spent $380? I tried to get it for $350. He was not budging. Well, he budged from $480, so I guess that's good. Definitely wouldn't have done it for $480. But would you guys have spent $380 to have to do all of this? Maybe if I was on eBay, I wouldn't do it because I'd have to pay the $3 shipping for each one of these. Plus, you could command a little more money on Amazon FBA. So that's the haul, guys. I'm super stoked about it. It's a shame about that. It's a shame that this is out of the package because, you know, they're not really worth too much. This guy was only worth about 12, 13 bucks. So that goes with a lot of these. I'm not going to make a profit on every single one of these. Some I'll make a profit of $20, $30 on, but some after that $9.75 buy cost, I'm losing $3 to $4, right? But I want to ship those in anyways because I can't just hold on to them. So I'm shipping everything off, hopefully sometime next week. So this stuff should start selling very, very soon. If you watch my videos, you know I just did a huge Lego pickup, and that stuff has been selling for me super, super well. Not all of it was good for Amazon, and that's why I have my little eBay storage over here, which I need to organize a little bit better. You guys can see I have a Lego Technic right here, a Lego Racer. We just have a bunch of random stuff that I have listed on eBay at the moment. I'm actually going to do a big clear out of this stuff because some of it just has been sitting like this Bud Light Lime Cinco de Limo bucket I've had for 2 years. It is not selling. It is not moving. So a lot of this stuff I need to donate and get off these shelves. And I also have to make sure that all of it is listed because I know for a fact these shoes are not listed. Back in the older days of eBay, just last year, 2 years ago, they would have 30-day settings, 15-day settings, whatever. Nothing was good until not everything was good until canceled. So some of my items I forgot to relist after that time. So I know these shoes aren't listed. I don't think this puzzle is listed anymore. So I'm gonna have to go through all of this, make sure all the inventory is good, do a little bit of organizing because I just have stuff everywhere. My goal is to buy another shelf, put it right here, and then I can have a bunch of shelves, or I'll move it somewhere else. Who knows, guys? Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions at all. I'll do my best to answer them. I've been pretty good with that lately, actually. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.